Owning a boat can provide plenty of fun throughout spring, summer, and fall. However, if you live in an area where winter temperatures can drop below freezing, you'll want to consider winterizing your boat. Here are 5 simple tips for how to do it. Start things right and clean out your boat. When it comes to getting ready for winter, you're really getting ready for next summer. Take some time to give your vessel a bit of standard TLC before it goes into hibernation. Be sure to vacuum, wash, and wax your boat. Don't forget to change your engine and gear oil. This should be done regularly anyway. Doing it as part of winterization helps get you out faster next season. Also, examining your old oil will help you determine if you have any issues that need to be fixed over winter. Stabilize your fuel before storage. Gasoline does not last forever and can actually break down after sitting for just a month. The last thing you want to do before enjoying the water is have to pump out a tank of bad fuel. Fuel stabilizer can be found at gas stations, auto parts stores, hardware shops, or even some grocery stores. Remove and stow valuable equipment prior to parking your boat for the season. Whether at home or in a storage lot, a resting boat can look like an easy target. Keep your fishing gear, tackle box, poles, and other boating equipment safe from unwanted attention. After a good cleaning, maintenance, and tidying up, finish by taking the time to cover your boat. This will keep it dust-free and help protect it from falling leaves, snow, rain, critters, and whatever else winter may throw at it. Boats can take your fun to a whole other level. Taking care of your boat this winter can make sure it's ready to get you out there. Like, subscribe, and tell us about your boat storage rituals in the comments.